अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, आज हम आपके लिए लेके आए हैं पेडागोजी के बेहतरीन सवालात जो किसी भी टेस्ट या इंटरव्यू की तैयारी के लिए इंतहाई अहम हैं। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं अपनी आज की वीडियो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, सोलो टैक्सोनॉमी कंसिस्ट ऑफ लेवल्स एंड द आंसर इज़ 5 लेवल्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ सोलो स्टैंड्स फॉर एंड द आंसर इज़ स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ऑब्जर्व्ड लर्निंग आउटकम्स। Question number 3, one-way channel of communication and the answer is lecture method. Question number 4, symposium is a type of and the answer is discussion method. Next question is trial and error is and the answer is heuristic method. Question number 6, student like the most of time with and the answer is peers. And the next question is in PBL students kept in and the answer is challenging situation. Question number 9, programmed learning presented by and the answer is B.F. Skinner. Question number 10, teacher performed practically in and the answer is demonstration method. Question number 11, activity method is and the answer is child-centered approach. Question number 12, lecture method is generally described by and the answer is teacher-centered. Question number 13, lecture strategy originated from and the answer is idealism philosophy. Question number 14, portfolio is a collection of and the answer is student work. Next question is Madeline Hunter lesson planning and the answer is 7 steps. Question number 16, word motivation derived from Latin word movers which means and the answer is movers. Question number 17, PBL means and the answer is problem based learning. Our next question is think, pair, share idea of and the answer is cooperative learning. Question number 19, material and work is divided into each members and the answer is Jigsaw method. Question number 20, teacher divided assignment work in method and the answer is Jigsaw method. Question number 21, two or more students work together and the answer is cooperative learning. Question number 22, ads that involve sense of hearing are called and the answer is audio ads. Our next question is ads which use sense or vision are called and the answer is visual ads. Question number 24, CRC means and the answer is Convention on Right of Child. Our next question is Convention on Right of Child in and the answer is 1989. Question number 26. The United Nations of General Assembly adopted United Nations Declaration of Child in and the answer is 1959. Question number 27. The United Nations adopted the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights in and the answer is 1966. Question number 28. Employment of Children Act 1991 was the first pro-child law passed by and the answer is Pakistan. Question number 29. Human dignity and basic rights in and the answer is Article 29. Question number 30. Assessment for learning is a continuous end and the answer is ongoing assessment. Question number 31. LOTS mean and the answer is low order thinking skill. Question number 32. HOTS mean and the answer is high order thinking skill. Question number 32. Purpose of education is and the answer is judgment. Our next question is the purpose of evolution is and the answer is make judgment about the quality of something. Question number 34. Discrimination value of more than 0.4 means and the answer is item is acceptable. Question number 35. Formula of mean and the answer is x is equal to ex over n. Our next question is difference between minimum and maximum value is and the answer is range. Question number 37. Table of specification help in, and the answer is test development. Our next question is father of scientific management is, and the answer is Frederick Taylor. Question number 39. Cash book is maintained by, and the answer is DDO. Our next question is the scale that is used for attitude test, and the answer is Likert test. Question number 41. E and D rules are, and the answer is efficiency and discipline rules. Question number 42. MIS means, and the answer is Management Information System. Question number 43. Element of fear and anxiety is found in, and the answer is inspection. Our next question is father of modern theory of management is, and the answer is Henry Fayol. Question number 45. First step in administration is, and the answer is planning. Question number 46. Basic type of curriculum are, and the answer is 3 types of curriculum. Question number 47. Sociological foundation are concerned with, and the answer is society. Our next question is students' need and interest are important in, and the answer is psychological foundation. Question number 49. Oxford University is in, and the answer is Oxford University is in England. Question number 50. School is the mirror of, and the answer is society. Question number 51. Important element if non-formal education is, and the answer is media. Question number 52. Ontology deals with, and the answer is reality. Our next question is essentialist stress on, and the answer is mental discipline. Question number 54. Lowest level of affective domain is, and the answer is knowledge. Question number 55. Leave that cannot be refused is, and the answer is medical leave which cannot be refused. Question number 56. Lay off an employee means, and the answer is compulsory retirement. Question number 57. Important factor of curriculum 2, and the answer is achieved the objectives. Our next question is general primary school timing is, and the answer is 5 to 6 hours. Our next question is development of curriculum at higher level and its application at different levels is, and the answer is centralized. Question number 60. Prior planning is not possible in, and the answer is activity centered curriculum. Question number 61. Detailed content of subjects for a class is called, and the answer is course. Our next question is the curriculum which reduces the number of books is, and the answer is integrated curriculum. Our next question is the basic objectives of curriculum is, and the answer is adjustment in society. Our next question is what provide guidelines for selection of content, and the answer is objectives. Our next and last question is growth of children is studied in, and the answer is development method.